Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today you might be wondering, why is his hair so different? That is because I'm going to be applying eyeshadow again, and this time I wanted to do a final part to the NARS singles shadow. I did my brows a little bit more dramatic today. My hair is a little bit more dramatic because it's to the side. And I also have foundation concealer. I have the whiteout to highlight and a little bit of a glow. So what I had in mind, since I already did a fun, contemporary smoky eye on the first video, and the second video we did a modern yellow wing liner, I thought we would try to do like a really dramatic look today. So the last video that I did was pretty dramatic, but I want this to be even more dramatic. So it's gonna be super dark, super black, and it's gonna have like this high shine in the middle. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just going to start out with the eyeshadow base. As you know, I'm using the NARS Smudge Proof. I was so scared the other day because I haven't used this a lot, right? And the very first time that I used it, like for my very first eyeshadow tutorial, after being back, I swear to God, like the next day I had a sty, or what looked like a sty on my eye. It looked like a little pimple. And I was like, oh fuck, because like if you ever got a sty, you know that those take a while to go away. But fortunately, after a couple of days, it just went away on its own, so it wasn't a sty. Okay, so there's a couple of ways to do this. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna use this shade, which is like the reddish. It's not Galapagos. I thought it was Galapagos, but it's something else. But it's like a reddish copper. And I'm just gonna go outside the lines. Actually, no, I'm gonna use tulum first, which is the orangey, and then outline it, and then I'm gonna go with that reddish copper on top. But like I said, it's gonna be a pretty dark, smoky eye. So this you might see at first, but we're gonna cover it almost completely. And you can see I'm like using very broad strokes, so I'm not really being very choosy of where I apply this because we're going to be covering it anyways. I love these rusty orange shades. They're so contemporary, they're so cool. About 7 years ago, you wouldn't really be able to find shades like this. Like, it was really hard. Now they're very trendy. Now I'm going to go in with my smudge brush and just going to bring that to the bottom. I'm going to connect it to the V as well. Oh my god, I'm sweating! I'm going to get a little towel. So I legit took this towel from 24 Hour, and it's not like I take the towels on purpose. It's just that, you have it wrapped around your neck and then you forget you do and just walk out with it. But I don't want to go back and return it because, I don't know. That way they'll really remember you, Plus it's dirty. Okay, now that that's there, I'm going to go in with the copper. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of making those edges really, really seamless. Perfect, now I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go with black. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the brush with a little bit of water. And then we're just gonna dig into that black shadow. So the black shadow that I'm using is called Nightbreed, and it has a little bit of a sparkle to it. And the reason why I want to use it is because it has a really, really dark tone. Like, even though it's black, sometimes when it has the sparkle, it's not as dark, but this one's actually pretty dark. Okay, so you can see it's becoming pretty dark, and I'm going to go back with the smudge brush and just start blending that in. And I'm kind of going for that skull hollow eye type of look. So it's going to be pretty severe. There you go, it's coming along nicely. Now I'm going to use my corner eye brush. As you know, that's my favorite brush to use. I'm going to pick up the pigment with a little bit of water. Focus on this corner and bottom area right here. I'm with the smudge brush and just going to blend those in. I swear, every single time I film, my forehead is like a swimming pool. I actually can't wait till winter, because this is ridiculous. Alright, perfect. This looks really good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finesse the edges a little bit with a little bit of that copper. And I'm going to use the ponytail brush. Perfect. Now before I move on to the lighter part of the look, I'm actually going to put the eyeliner on the waterline so I can have an idea of what it's all going to look like. So I'm using True Spirit Cosmetics, local brand. And then for the bottom part of the eye, I'm going to go back with the Dior smudge liner. I'm going to press and wiggle under the waterline. Now that everything is in place, I'm gonna cut my crease a little bit before I put the bright color. And what I'm looking to do is the middle of the lid to really bring a lot of light. And I'm just doing the middle, so I'm not going all the way back in. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to use Lunar. So Lunar is a holographic type of shade, and I'm going to use the water again to really pack on that color. There you go. Now what I'm going to use is banquise in the middle just to highlight it a little bit. I'm going to lightly apply banquise up on the red one as well. And to give this the final touch, I'm going to highlight the inner eye a little bit. I'm going to go back in with white out. And then I'm going to go with Lunar first. And then banquise on top. To give it a final touch, I'm going to go with banquise just in the middle of the lids to highlight them a little bit more. And to give it a final touch, I'm going to go back with Night Breed and I'm just going to contour the crease area. Most people don't have to do this step, but because my eyes are the way they are, I feel like I need to go just to kind of reaffirm, you know, where I want the shadows to show in the picture. Alright, let me put some mascara and then I'll come out and close the video. Okay guys, that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little eyeshadow makeup tutorial. This will be the last part of the NARS Single Shadows Let's Play. So if you have any good palettes for me to try, you can comment on the section down below. I'm willing to go out there and get them. Like I said on the other video, I'll go to Sephora, Ulta, Santee Alley, I'll go to Daiso, wherever you think I should go to get a palette. Let me know and I'll make another series, you know, of different looks playing with the palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you know when another video is coming. And don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you on the next one.